Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on ACER Predator 17. In order to check your graphics card, right-click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. You may need to click on More Details, then Performance. And now you'll see GPU. And in my case it's the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. If you scroll down, then you'll also see things like driver version, driver date, DirectX version, physical location, hardware reserved memory, dedicated GPU memory, shared GPU memory, and other things, and the GPU temperature as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.